Peeps, welcome back to the vlog. So I wasn't actually planning to record today. I was actually just going to do some vehicle maintenance because it's about to rain here in an hour. The tail light, when I put the stock tail light on, the bulb, the brake bulb, light bulb was broken, so I had to go to AutoZone and replace it today, so we don't have to get a ticket when we drive. As well as the VLAN, the driver, that was a daytime running light. It was not connected because when I took the bumper off for the Seibon lip, I accidentally ripped one of the wires out, so I had to figure it out. So I plugged the wire back in, put some electrical tape, and now it's looking good. But that's not what we're talking about today. So I was actually just Facebook surfing on Facebook Market, and there's somebody actually down the street from me in Ashburn that is selling a carbon fiber hood for the Evo, and it was a very, very good price. So we're looking at a VIS Racing carbon fiber hood, sort of like the OEM style, and has 3 vents here. So it looks really good. We're gonna go over there. We're gonna meet up with Squirrel, head over there, and see what it looks like. If it is good, we're gonna pull the trigger on it. Have to stop at the bank and grab the money first. But yeah, for a carbon fiber hood, that's a great deal. And yeah, hopefully it looks good in Evo. I'll see you guys soon. Man, I really hate it when the weather looks so beautiful. Like look how clear the sky is right now. Like for this, I would go clean my car and not look at the weather channel or whatever, and then it's gonna rain in the next hour. So yep, it just sucks. That's summer for you in Virginia. So went up, pick up the hood. Looks really good. And then Sean, he's actually retired Navy. He actually is going to help us out. Hey, what's up, Squirrel? He's going to install the hood for me because obviously I don't know how to do this. You guys know that. Okay. I didn't get your name, man.
Oh, it's Liz.
Oh, hey, Liz. So Sean and Liz going to help us out. Oh, this is a nice hood. Guys. Ooh. Very nice.
Yeah.
Carbon fiber.
So he does, you know how you make YouTube videos? That's kind of like what he does. But he's called vlogging. For YouTube? I don't know. You have to ask him.
Yeah. Yep, for YouTube.
You like to do that, don't you?
It's fun. Wow.
I know. You always want to.
Very nice. Jonathan. Hello. How you doing? Good job. Good job, Jabba. Alright guys, just got back home waiting for Squirrel to come. The carbon fiber hood looks amazing. I think just a little buff and clean, you know. Obviously you can tell a little bit of wear and tear, but overall I think it's amazing. It's a heck of a deal. Thanks. I just want to say shout out to Sean and Liz for helping me out. Not only did they sell me the carbon fiber at a good price, they also helped me install it. So shout out to them. Such a great couple. I hope she could find her Evo 9 and hook it up. But yeah, get it clean. Get the old hood back inside. Wrap it up somehow. Yep. We do have a little gap right here. I think I'm gonna have to do a little bit of adjustment. So that we just did a quick adjustment. So yeah. Over here is a nice firm fit. A little tight, not tight, but a good fit. So yeah. So what do you guys think? What do you guys think of the overlook of the car right now? I mean, I know she's pretty dirty, but I think it looks very nice. Once this piece come in, this is a carbon fiber piece from Seibon, and also this piece, carbon fiber, comes in, and my buddy is gonna do me so my buddy Angel, I'm waiting for him. Once he's free, he's gonna make a cover for me for there. Yeah, maybe work on these trims here. I don't know yet. Let's see. But I think the look right now is good. I see a lot of people do carbon fiber fender. I just don't see. It doesn't look right. I don't know. The contrast is not right for me, so I'm not gonna do that. The trunk, I'm gonna leave it like this. I'm not gonna. I don't know. Up in the air. Maybe get a duck lip carbon fiber trunk. I don't know. Figure it out. I think right now it looks really good. Yeah. So I'm just gonna, like I said, wait for Squirrel to come, put the stuff in, and I'll probably go for a cruise, take a few pictures. Yeah. Pop the hood up. Okay. It goes down really good. It latches on pretty damn nicely. Feels like it's almost stock. Let's see. And it's hella light actually. Not even that heavy. All right. do a little cleaning. I have the heat shield piece for this. I'm gonna figure out a way to put it on. If I can't, you know, if I can't clip it on, I'm gonna have to 3M tape it on, because this engine bay gets pretty hot. I don't want this to get ruined. And then I don't know, maybe zip tie this together and then fix the line somehow, because right now it's just dangling there. I got to go get 2 more of these screws to put in here because it's missing 2. Not big deal. Clean it up a little bit. Yeah, overall not too bad at all. Seibon lips still look really fresh. Yeah, just like stock. There it is. Whew. God, I love it. Boom, 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 boom. Here comes squirrel. Just want to show you guys this. I got a miniature Evo from Tarmac, I think that's what it's called. Pretty cool. It just sits there. I think it looks okay there. Maybe it's a little weird. I should have put it here, shouldn't I? Is it too late to change it? Whatever. We'll just leave it like that. Alright guys, so this is a new day. Actually, it's been 2 or 3 days after I installed the hood. But yeah, it rained a few days, so the car is really dirty. I really need to get cover for this car because I'm starting getting really tired of cleaning this car every couple days. That's the life of a guy without a garage. Yeah. So hopefully, I mean, we are in plan to actually build a garage here. I've been talking to my wife, and we've been, crunching the numbers. So hopefully, the garage will go up like this, come down like that, and it'll go all the way out to this fence right here. I actually might leave a little room so you can walk back here. If not, I'll make a door from the garage to the back of the yard out there. So it's going to be a 2-door garage. Well, it's a 2-car garage with only 1 sliding door. So it's going to be a big door coming down, and you can park 2 cars. So obviously I'm gonna have to fix this driveway right here. Yep, so the driveway will probably go all the way back here, so you can come in, go straight into the garage. So yeah, I don't know if you guys could imagine, but I could imagine how the garage looks right now. But anyways, today we're gonna definitely get the car clean and just do some little shoots or just some little scenery, drive a little bit around. Nothing really too much planned, and yeah. So it's not gonna rain for the rest of the week, so hopefully she'll stay clean for a while. Alright guys, just got the car clean. Oh god, it took longer than I expected, but she looks very good. Look at the carbon fiber. Oh, look at that. Boy, I'm gonna get this rebuffed by TLC. Hit up Dave already, so he's gonna rebuff it, and then he's gonna just go ahead and ceramic coat this as well. So I don't have to worry about it fading or anything, because obviously everybody know either when you get a new carbon fiber piece, you should ceramic coat it, or you should get it sand down and clear coat. The wheels look very shiny today. Hopefully the weather lasts. It's pretty cloudy out there. That's scary, but they say it's not supposed to rain. So yeah, she looks very good, guys. I'm really happy with the build so far. Mostly right now I've been working on the looks on the outside of the car. I'm gonna move into the interior now. I got my rear spats coming, carbon fiber vents there. Also the front piece, front hood ornament, carbon fiber as well. So that's gonna finish it up with pretty much the outside. I don't think I'm doing anything else. Winter Angel is available. He'll be able to get this carbon fiber for me, be able to do this, and then some of the interior stuff. Let me see. Tail lights is coming, so waiting for the tail lights. Yeah, but so far I think I'm really happy with the build going on. Don't know what else I'm gonna do to it right now. For the engine, let me see. I'm not trying to go too crazy fast because I guess the older I am, the less I want to go fast. But obviously I'm gonna change certain stuff in there. I'm gonna change the spark plug inside the engine, a couple of engine dress up here and there, new clutch can, maybe work my way to E85, so who knows. So the engine dress up I'm talking about is I'm gonna get this carbon fiber APR, make something right here, maybe a couple caps there. I'll get a new cover for that. A dual clutch clamp, dual oil clutch clamp here. I'm thinking about taking this off to get powder coated red. I might, you know, I never know, I might actually wait until I get a cage in order to take this piece, and the other black piece from ETS to get it powder coated red. So that might be good. Engine cover's fine. Heat shield I need to replace, or let me get a heat wrap or heat shield, new heat shield in there. Maybe get the powder coated red right there, and then from there I'll start working on fuel and everything else with the car. So but so far, yeah, it's just still stock motor, nothing really new. The BOV looks nice. I don't know if we're gonna leave it like that or if we're gonna change it up. So we'll figure it out eventually. Right now it's really steady, so we'll let Kit figure that out. But yeah, I have to address this issue right here. So I'm gonna maybe tuck it in from there. Got to get some new bolts here. I don't know if I want to put the other heat. There was a heat shield here for the hood. I don't know if I want to put that back on. So, but yeah, peeps, that's it for the vlog today. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you liked my vlog so far. If you have any suggestions or any ideas, let me know in the future videos. But anyways, thanks for tuning in. See you later.